I, and then your name.
Oh, we're starting?
Yes, we're starting. They're getting tired of me talking, so.
I, Robert B. Martin Jr.,
Do solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
to uphold and abide by the Constitution
to uphold and abide by the Constitution
and bylaws of the American Rose Society,
and bylaws of the American Rose Society,
and that I will,
and that I will,
to the best of my ability,
to the best of my ability,
faithfully perform the duties and responsibilities
faithfully perform the duties and responsibilities
of the office of President, so help me God.
of the office of President, so help me God.
By and with the authority vested in us by the members of the American Rose Society, invested in me by the members of the American Rose Society, I hereby install Robert B. Martin Jr. into the office of President of the American Rose Society and vest in you the authority and responsibility of this office. On behalf of the members of the American Rose Society, it is my pleasure to present the President of the American Rose Society, duly elected in accordance with the ARS bylaws.